Alright, today we're gonna draw. Let's draw a leaf together. So let's get our pencil crayon. And then we're gonna go like this. Draw this shape. Draw it lightly first. So I'm gonna. Don't draw too hard. Okay. So it's like an oval with a pointy part right here. And this is gonna be our leaf. Now I'm gonna draw this. It's gonna run through the whole leaf. Okay. And like that. You see that? Okay. So let me get another color here. This part here, you see this? This is called the apex. And that's the tip of the leaf. Okay, so we're gonna start coloring this leaf. Just coloring it lightly. I'm gonna color a very light green right now. Okay. And then on this side, it's called the petiole. Petiole. And this is where it connects to the stem of the leaf. Okay, this part here is the petiole. And then let's get another green. I'm gonna get another green. Now there's these little things that, look, it extends out of the leaf. And we call them veins. Okay? These are called veins. And the leaf has veins. Let's draw the veins. It kind of looks like a Y, but no, it doesn't. It looks like reindeer antlers. And these are veins. Okay. Let's put some more green back in there now. Let's put some more veins in there. All right, and oh yeah, one more. Let's write. All right, I forgot veins. I'm gonna draw a little line here. Da, 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 da. Veins. So there's many veins, and there's one more part here. Let's down here, the edge of the leaf. We call that the margin. Okay, let's keep coloring. Let's color lightly and a nice thin layer of green. I'm gonna add another vein right here. There we go. There. All right, and you know what? Leaves, they don't always stay green. They change colors. So sometimes they'll start to slowly turn yellow. So I'm gonna add some yellow into there. So when the seasons change, the color of the leaf changes too. So So I'm gonna add this layer of yellow on top of this leaf. There we go. And then if they keep changing colors, some of them change maybe like orangey, reddish, or brown. So let's add some red into here. So see, my leaf is changing colors. Notice how I am coloring at an angle like this, so I can color more evenly and faster too. Now when the leaf changes color, the veins change colors too. So these veins, they'll probably kind of turn brownish. If you observe a leaf, take a look at an old leaf, a leaf that's fallen onto the floor from the tree. You'll notice that the veins are different colors too. They're not green anymore. Sometimes it's like this brownish color. So now, look, I'm adding different colors to my vein. You color your leaf whatever color you want. Or you could follow me. There. Wow, this is actually looking quite nice. You know what? Let's add one more color. And sometimes leaves turn into not a reddish color. I'm gonna find a red, and I'm gonna just put a light layer of red. So when we color, let's go very light. It looks really nice. There's so many colors on there. Sometimes you see many colors on a leaf. You see a little bit of red, you see a little bit of orange, green, all together, because this different parts of the leaf is changing colors. So there you go. Here's a leaf and the many parts. So I hope you had fun and keep learning. Apex, margin, so that's the edge of the leaf. Veins, here's the veins, and the petiole. We'll see you in the next video.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,